70% of the tickets sold at a school carnival. Carnival is festival where early admission tickets. If the school sold 90 tickets in all, how many early admission tickets did it sell? Total is 90 tickets sold. What is the percentage? 70% is early admission tickets. Find out how many early admission tickets did it sell. Pause the video and do the job. Good. The correct answer is 63 early admission tickets. Let's see how. Remember the rule we learned. Okay. Here is the simple rule. A percent is 1 part of 100 with everything. Okay. How do we find the proportion? What do we now need to find? The proportion of 70% in 90 tickets, right? That's a proportion. So part by whole is equal to percent by 100. What is percent? 70 by 100. What is whole? 90. What is part? We have to find out. 70% of 90 is what we need to find. The whole is 90. The percent is 70. N represent the part. Write a proportion and cross multiply to solve for n. N by 90, 70 by 100. Cross multiply. 100 and 6300. Simplify. Divide by 100. You get n equal to 63. 63 tickets were early admission tickets. The other way of finding part equal to percentage of whole. What is the percentage of whole? Percentage is 70% of 90. That is equal to the part. N equal to 70% is 2 digits, 0.7 multiplied by 90. N equal to 0.7 into 90, 63. 63 tickets were early admission tickets. At a company meeting, there were 60 people in attendance. 10% of them were managers. How many? 10% of them were managers. How many managers were in the meeting? Pause the video, find the answer. Correct answer is 6. Do you know how? Look at this. What did we want? 10% of 60. Whole is 60, the percent is 10%. N represent the part, write a proportion, cross multiply. 100 into n, 60 into 10. 100n is equal to 600. Simplify, divide by 100. N equal to 6. 6 managers were in the meeting. Other way, percentage of whole. 10% of 60 people, number of people. That is equal to 0.1 multiplied by 60. That equal to n equal to 6. 6 managers were in the meeting. At Mary's hats, there is a hat shop. 50% of the 26 hats are cricket or baseball caps. How many hats were there? 26. How many were baseball caps? 50% of them. How many baseball caps are there? 13. Good answer. Look at the answer here. Read this loud. Pause the video, read this loud. Step 3. Cross multiply. Simplify. You get 13 hats. There are 13 baseball caps at the store. The other way, other method, step 1, step 2, step 3. Finally the answer. There are 13 baseball caps at the store. This morning Sonia took a history test. There were 24 multiple choice problems on the test and Sonia answered 75% of them correctly. How many problems did Sonia get right? Total 24. Percentage right? 75%. Pause the video, get the answer. Right answer is 18. Here is the explanation. Read this loud. Step 2, step 3, step 4. Final answer. Sonia got 18 problems right. One more method. 75% of 24. Sonia got 18 problems right. Good job. The students at your school or Ian's school voted for a new school mascot. 30% of the students voted to be falcons. There are 100 students in Ian's school. How many students voted to be the falcons? Pause the video and do the math. Correct answer is 30. Let's see how. The rule, the steps. 2, 3, 4. Final answer. Alternate method. Final answer. Deshawn's Diner offers his client a choice of regular and diet soda. Last night the diner served 96 sodas in all. 25% of which are were regular. How many regular sodas did the diner serve? Total sodas. Percentage were regular. 25% of 96 is what we need to find. Answer is 24. How did we get it? Rule. Write up the steps. The answer. Answer is the diner served 24 regular sodas. Other choice, other method of writing. Final answer. One more question. The factory made 100 jars of peanut butter. 90% of the jars contained creamy peanut butter. How many jars of creamy peanut butter did the factory make? Total jars 90% is only peanut butter. There are 100 jars of peanut butter. 90% where 90% of 100 is what? 90% of the whole is what 100 jars are. What is the total number of jars of creamy peanut butter did the factory make? We have to find. Pause the video and find it. The correct answer is 90. How did we find? Rule, the steps, substitution, 90 jars of creamy peanut butter. Other option 90% of 100 gives you 90. So the factory made 90 jars of creamy peanut butter. One more problem. In order to select new board members, the French club held an election. 40% of the 95 members of the club voted in that. Okay, how many members voted? 40% of the 95. Good, find the answer. Good, the answer is 38. How did we get that? Rule, steps, substitution. 38 members voted. Alternate method, 40% of 95. 38 is the final answer. 38 members voted. Drew brought chocolate and vanilla cupcakes to school for his birthday. 64 students decided to take a cupcake and 100% of them picked vanilla. How many people picked the vanilla cupcake? 100% of them picked vanilla. Okay, remember. Correct answer is 64. How did we get there? Rule. Steps. 100% of the entire number is 100% of 64 is 64. Whole is 64. The steps. n by 64, 100 by 100, 100 and cancel. Okay, 64 students pick vanilla. Alternate method, 100